Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You should start by making sure your S23 is up to date. That provides the gesture feature. Once updated, open Settings and go straight to Advanced Features. You want motions and gestures visible because that's where the back tap option lives. Make sure any relevant accessibility options aren't blocking gestures. Now tap motions and gestures to find the double tap or back tap setting. This first step exposes the control you need, so you can assign screenshot as the action. Once in the Motions and Gestures menu, select Double Tap or Back Tap. You'll see a list of actions. Choose Take Screenshot so a back tap captures the screen. Make sure to accept any permission prompts for storage or photos because without those, the screenshot won't save. After assigning it, test by double tapping the rear area of your phone. Aim for the center lower half of the back so the sensor detects it reliably. If it doesn't trigger, adjust your grip and retry. Finish by using the feature during normal use to confirm consistency. If it misses taps, make sure your case isn't too thick and try a firmer tap. Back tap sensors need a clear transmission. If it still won't work, restart the phone and toggle the back tap setting off and on. That often resets the sensor. Finally, clear system cache or check for app updates. If problems persist, contact Samsung support, but try these quick fixes first because they resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.